Hi everyone, welcome back. See, if you want to choose Python programming as a basic programming language to start your programming career, you have two options. The one option is to become a Python full stack developer. Second option is what? Data analyst. Right? Any one path you can choose, but whatever the path you have choose, the first one you need to start with the concepts of learning core Python and advanced Python. After completion of the concepts of core Python and advanced Python, then we need to go with the database concepts. SQL concepts we need to learn. After learning the concepts of SQL, you can decide, right, what is the right path. Now you have two options. If you want to become complete Python application developer, you need to go for the track that is Python full stack developer course. In that Python full stack developer course, front end you have to learn, which are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In case required, write any framework, Angular or React. Next one is a server side Python programming, that is Django framework with APIs. Some REST API you have to learn. If you good at all these concepts, then you will become a Python full stack developer. After completion of SQL, right, I don't want to become full stack developer, I just want to become data analyst. Then you need to change the path. Then you start learning one reporting tool, that is Power BI. Along with that reporting tool, right, advanced Excel concepts you need to learn. And in case any statistical programming implementation, you can go with R language and server side coding if you want to learn. Suppose if you want to generate reports, right, by collecting the information from the server side or cloud side, we need cloud basics also. One cloud, right, R language, Python programming language, SQL concepts, Power BI as well as advanced Excel. If you are good at all these things, then you will become data analyst. Hope you understood. Please follow.